Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make baby shower cakesicles. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. First, I'm going to be taking some vodka. I put some on a napkin and then I'm going to wipe the inside of all of the molds. I got this Cakesicle mold off Amazon for $8. I'll link it in the description. I wipe the insides with vodka so that it gives it a nice shiny finish, but it's totally optional. Next, you're going to want to melt down some chocolate. I have some milk chocolate melted right here in a bowl, and I'm grabbing a spoon and I'm going to fill each of my molds with it so that it's fully covered. You can use candy melts, any type of chocolate you want. And I'm using my spoon to spread the chocolate all around the mold so that there's no holes and everything is covered. Once you feel like your mold is fully covered, take your popsicle stick, insert it in the hole, and push it about 3/4 of the way. Now continue to do this until all of your molds are covered. I like to stick mine in the freezer for about 5 minutes so that I know it's fully dried. Once your mold comes out of the freezer and it's completely dried, we're going to take the chocolate again and cover the mold for a second time. The second coat ensures that it's no cracks or no holes when you remove it from the mold. Once you cover the mold for a second time, place your mold in the freezer for 5 minutes. While your mold dries in the freezer, we're going to take our cake, crumble it down with our glove, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of buttercream or any type of frosting that you would like to use, and we're going to mix this until you can form a ball. And I just baked a regular yellow cake, but feel free to use any type of cake that you like. As you're mixing with your hand and you start to form a ball and there's no crumbs left over, you know that your cake mix is ready. Take your mold from out of the freezer and now we're going to add our cake mix inside. So I just take about a palm full of cake mix, push it in each mold. Be sure not to fill it all the way to the top. Sometimes I take a butter knife and scrape off the top so I know that it's not completely full. You want to ensure that it's not completely full because you need to leave some room to fill the chocolate at the top. Now that all of your molds are filled with the cake mixture, we're going to take the same melted chocolate and apply the chocolate to the top of the mold. I'm using my spoon to spread the chocolate all around the mold so that I make sure the entire mold is covered and there's no cracks or holes. Once you have all of your tops filled with chocolate and there are no holes and everything's covered, put these in the freezer for 5 minutes and then we're going to remove them. Now your Cakesicles are fully dried. We're going to peel the back of the Cakesicle and then I push the popsicle stick out and then grab it. I never touch the Cakesicle itself. I'm just grabbing it by the popsicle stick. You can see by wiping the inside of the mold with vodka, it left a completely shiny coat. After you removed all of your Cakesicles from the mold, we're going to add the same chocolate in a piping bag, or you can use a sandwich bag, and I'm going to drizzle the chocolate on the Cakesicle by going in a zigzag motion, but feel free to decorate any way you like. And I also have this little baby foot because I'm doing an order for a baby shower, so I'm going to add the foot on the top, and then I'm also going to show you I'm going to add the teddy bears at the top right. So here is the final presentation of the Cakesicles. These are super cute for baby showers and great for party favors. In the next clip, I had some baby blue ones that I also created, so I'll show you how I decorated those. So here is the final result of the Baby Blue Cakesicles. These are easy and fun to make for any event. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments any new video ideas you would like to see from me.